Hello students, welcome to math class. Today we are going to start our exercise 10.2 chapter 10 circles. Question number 1. From a point Q, the length of the tangent to a circle is 24 centimeter and the distance of Q from the center is 25 centimeter. The radius of the circle is. So first of all, we are going to draw the figure. This is our circle. This is the center of circle. And PQ is the length of tangent. And distance of point Q from the center of the circle is 25 centimeter. And length of tangent is 24 centimeter. Here we have to find the length of the radius. In figure, in triangle OPQ, angle P is of 90 degree. So therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, OP is equal to OQ square minus PQ square under the root. And it will be 25 square minus 24 square under the root. So it will be 7 centimeter. So therefore, radius is equal to 7 centimeter and correct option is A. Question number 2. Again the figure for the question is given. In figure, if TP and TQ are two tangents, tangents are drawn from the point T this is T, TP and TQ are two tangents and angle POQ, O is the center of the circle. This one angle is given to us and we have to find angle PTQ. We have to find this angle. So we can solve it in quadrilateral OPTQ. Sum of its four interior angles is equal to 360 degree, and in which angle P is of 90 degree and angle Q is also of 90 degree. So therefore angle PTQ will be 360 minus 110 minus 90 minus 90, and angle PTQ will be of 70 degree. Question number 3. If tangents PA and PB from point P to a circle with center O are inclined to each other at angle of 80 degree, then angle POA is equal to. Let us draw the figure first of all. Here tangents are inclined at an angle of 80 degree. In figure, angle APB is equal to 80 degree. We know OP bisects angle APB and angle AOB. So therefore angle APO is equal to angle BPO is equal to 80 by 2 is equal to 40 degree. And we have to find angle POA. So also angle PAO is of 90 degree, angle at the point of contact between radius and tangent. So therefore in triangle PAO we can find angle POA, and it will be equal to 180 minus 90 minus 40, and it will be of 50 degree. Or we can find it directly, because this complete angle is given to us 80 degree. So angle AOB will also be of 100 degree, and angle AOP is half of angle AOB. So directly we can find it as 50 degree. Question number 4. Prove that the tangents drawn at the end of diameter of a circle are parallel. Now the tangents are drawn at the end of the diameter. So in figure, let AB be the diameter of the circle and O is the center. And two tangents are drawn, one from point A and another from point B. So we can name them as P, Q, R and S. And we have to prove that these two tangents are parallel. We know this property that the tangents drawn at the end of the diameter of a circle are parallel, but we have to prove it. So we can write AB is the diameter, PQ and RS are tangents through point A and B respectively. So therefore angle OAP will be of 90 degree and angle OBR is equal to 90. Why? Angle between radius and tangent at the point of contact. So it means this one angle is of all 90 and this is also 90. Here in figure we observe that co-interior angles OAP and OBR are supplementary, meaning their sum is 180 degree. So therefore PQ is parallel to RS, hence proved. Question number 5. Prove that the perpendicular at the point of contact to the tangent to a circle passes through the center. In figure, P is point of contact, XY is tangent and OP perpendicular to XY. This is given. So therefore angle OPY is equal to 90 degree. And let us assume that OP passes through the center of circle O dash. मीनिंग हमने एज्यूम कर लिया कि O जो है दैट इज़ नॉट द सेंटर बट O डैश इज़ द सेंटर, बिकॉज एंगल P जो है वो 90 आपको गिवन है, तो इट मीन्स O और ये 90 एंगल है बिटवीन रेडियस एंड टेंजेंट. तो देयर फोर एंगल O डैश पी वाई इज ऑल्सो ऑफ 90 डिग्री. एंगल बिटवीन radius O dash P and tangent XY at the point of contact. Here we can write, let us assume the center of circle is O dash. We have changed our construction. Let us assume that the center of the circle is O dash. So therefore angle O dash PY will be of 90 degree because O dash P is radius. So but angle OPY is equal to 90. This is given to us. So therefore angle O dash PY is equal to OPY. But angle O dash PY is a part of angle OPY. But O dash PY is a part of angle OPY from figure. And this is possible only when O dash P coincide with OP or O dash coincide with point O. So therefore O is the center of circle. Hence OP passes through the center. Hence proved. Question number 6. The length of a tangent from a point A at distance 5 cm from the center of circle is 4 cm. Find the radius of the circle. So let us assume O is the center of the circle and PQ is tangent. So OQ is the distance of point Q from the center of the circle. The length of tangent from a point A. Sorry, this point is A given here. And this is given to us 5 cm. And length of tangent is given to us 4 cm. We have to find OP. In figure, angle OPA is equal to 90 degree. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, in triangle OPA, we can find the length of OP. OP is equal to OA square minus PA square under the root. It will be 5 square minus 4 square. So we can write it as 9 into 1, 9 and square root of 9 is 3. तो therefore radius is equal to 3 centimeter. Short question, very short. Question number 7. Two concentric circles are of radii 5 centimeter and 3 centimeter. Find the length of the chord of the larger circle which touches the smaller circle. Here we are having two concentric circles with radii 3 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Let us assume that O is the center of the circle and this line AB is chord of outer circle but it touches the inner circle. So for inner circle this is the tangent at point P and OP is the radius of inner circle. OA is the radius of outer circle. So this is given to us 3 centimeter and this is given to us 5 centimeter. And we have to find the length of the chord of the larger circle, meaning we have to find AB. In figure, AB is tangent to inner circle. So therefore angle OPA will be of 90 degree, angle at the point of contact between radius and tangent. So therefore in triangle OAP we can find AP and AP will be OA square minus OP square. So it will be 5 square minus 3 square and it will be 25 minus 9 under root 16. This will be 4 centimeter. So we get AP is equal to 4 centimeter. Similarly, we can find the length of BP if I join O to B, or we can see here AB is chord of outer circle and OP is perpendicular to AB and we know that perpendicular from the center of the circle bisects the chord. So therefore P bisects AB, therefore AP is equal to BP and AP ko we have already having as 4 centimeter. So therefore AB is equal to double of AP. 2 into AP is equal to 2 into 4, 8 centimeter. Hence the length of chord is 8 centimeter. Therefore, length of chord is equal to 8 centimeter. Question number 8. A quadrilateral ABCD is drawn to circumscribe a circle. Prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So first of all, let us understand a quadrilateral ABCD. Circumscribe a circle. What does it mean? It means there is a quadrilateral outside the circle, but the sides of the quadrilateral touches the circle. So we have to draw our figure like this. So in figure A, B, C, D. This is a quadrilateral whose sides touch the circle. AB touches the circle at point P and BC touches at Q, CD touches at R and this side touches at S. So we can say that these four sides of quadrilateral are tangent to circle, and we have to prove that AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. So in figure, AP is equal to AS and BQ is equal to BP and CQ is equal to CR and DS is equal to DR. Why? Length of tangent from exterior points A, B, C and D respectively. Now taking AB plus CD. Here we can write AB as AP plus PB. And from figure CD can be written as CR plus RD. But we get that from above equation AP can be written as AS and BP can be written as BQ. CR can be written as CQ and DR can be written as DS. So AS plus DS from figure gives us AS plus DS is equal to AD and BQ plus CQ is equal to BC. So we have proved AB plus CD is equal to AD plus BC. This property will be used in many questions, and it is known that sum of the opposite sides of a quadrilateral which circumscribes a circle are equal.